My name is Rachel Siegel, and this is a prayer I wrote for Israel. And I'm sharing it with you today on the occasion of her 75th birthday. It's called A Beautiful Place That Breaks Your Heart. A rooted place that can make you feel untethered. An aspirational vision that may never be achieved. A country designed by teenage idealists that brings out the teenage idealist in me. An impossibility. An astonishment, a disappointment, a modern-day miracle, where the dirt feels holy and the holy can feel a little dirty. A battery charge for the soul like no other. A place where we measure the diameter of the bomb and smile at the beautiful soldier, and drink sachlab and swipe hummus and stay up way too late at night. Where the songs of the nation bring the most macho of men to tears, and where the women with that dyed red hair that is somehow a shade of purple talk and sell their art and try to fix up their single sons and daughters. My prayer for Israel is that she gives us the space to live inside all these contradictions, that in the wrestling, in the mixing of the bitter and the sweet, that we find ourselves, that we earn our name of Am Yisrael, the people who wrestle. My prayer for Israel is that she helps us move from the wrestling people, Am Yisrael, to being Yehudim, the grateful people, to be alive in this moment of Jewish history, to get to be a part of this great Jewish experiment. May she live up to every aspiration, and when she fails and falls and falters, may she get back up again with grace and power, and show us how to do that ourselves. Amen.